Hey, in this video, we are going to explore the Money tab and everything available to you on that Money tab. My name is Nick Haralambis, and let's get started. So once you've logged in, you will be presented with your landing page, which is the Hub tab, and you can browse over to the Money tab. And on the Money tab, you'll firstly see your payout amount. This is the amount you've accrued from sales that is due to be paid to you in your next payout. If, however, you would like to issue that payout sooner, you can click on the Instant Payout button that you can see in the quick action. This is available if you have the instant payout option available to you, if you've reached the minimum threshold for that, or if you qualify. Then you've got your payouts widget, your Yoco Capital widget, and the fees widget, where you are able to see the fees that Yoco is charging you. You can, from desktop, click on a payout item in the widget and see your payouts in short view right there. You are able to click on the payouts and go into your payout history and see all of the lists of payouts, whether they've failed or succeeded. You can filter them and you can issue an instant payout from here. And in the top right hand corner, you are also able to export your payout history. Then we do have Yoco Capital, and if you qualify for Yoco Capital, which I do not right now, you'll be able to dive in there and get more information. And then this fees widget takes you to the fees section in your business profile. That is it for the Money tab. Hopefully it is a very profitable Money tab indeed.